Good morning, families and friends. You see, our topic for this morning is chosen to suffer, never abandoned. Acts chapter 9:16 records something striking that Jesus said about Paul at the very beginning of his Christian life. For I will show him how many things he must suffer for my name's sake. Before Paul preached, before he wrote scripture, before he changed the world, Jesus made one thing clear, that is, following me will include suffering. And that is one sentence that helps us understand Paul's life. Paul's beatings, prisons, shipwreck, and rejections were not signs of failure. They were part of his calling. He didn't suffer because God left him. He suffered because God trusted him. That changes how we see trials. See, many of us assume hardship means I did something wrong, God is silent, or I am off the path. But Acts chapter 9:16 tells us something different. Sometimes suffering is not a detour. Sometimes it is the road. See, God used Paul's trial to spread the gospel further than comfort ever could. Prison became a pulpit. Chains became a testimony. Weakness became a stage for God's power. And the same is true for us. Your struggle may not be punishment. It may be preparation. Your pain may not be proof of God's absence. It may be evidence of his purpose. Paul later said, when I am weak, then I am strong. Because suffering, when surrendered to Christ, does not destroy faith. It deepens it. So when trials come, don't just ask, why is this happening to me? Ask, how might God be revealing Christ through this? See, you may be chosen to suffer, but you are never abandoned. God bless.